After watching the video of girls confessing never to have seen underwear nor sanitary packs in their lives before, a former Zambia Daily Mail journalist who is based in Canada mobilized the resources to meet the basic needs and support the girls in the area. Jacqueline Tembo, accompanied by her local friends, embarked on a long journey to Ntopolo area to respond to the plight of girls with support from Days for Girls Canada. Unfortunately, the team had to spend a night on the mountains in the valley after the light truck that was carrying the goods got stuck while ascending the mountains. Efforts to remove the truck failed when the team was attacked by leopards at night, forcing them to seek refuge in the cars. In the morning, the team successfully removed the truck and proceeded to Kalunga Primary School, where they were treated to a thunderous welcome by the women and girls in the area. Jack could not hide her emotions as she broke down in tears after physically meeting the people that she only saw on a video produced by this reporter and decided to risk her life for them. Girls were the main priority for this mission and were lined up into two groups, starting with those that would receive sanitary kits and another group of the younger ones that would only receive underwear and other necessities. While the distribution was going on, some kits were opened in order to guide the girls on how to use the reusable sanitary towels and how to keep them well to prevent infections. One of the girls explained the challenges that they have been going through to be in class without underwear during the menstrual days, causing some of the girls to abandon school due to the shame of messing themselves up in classes. Older women were also not left out as they received packs, some for the first time, and learned how to use them. Even those beyond the childbearing age could not be left out as they pleaded and begged to just have a touch of the modern packs. Jacqueline has appealed for more help from other well-wishers to support the plight of girls in the area.
They're facing a lot of challenges, and for a girl to go to school, miss school because of they don't have sanitary kits, it's just unacceptable in this 2020. So I'm also calling everybody, stakeholders, individuals, NGOs to help these girls. We need to come together and help the girls. It's really upsetting for me to even be talking about this. It's just, we should not be talking about sanitary kits and children missing school because they don't have sanitary kits. So we need to step up.
The mission was accomplished, but it was another moment to face the dangers of passing through the escarpment with a light truck that had no brakes after realizing that the brake fluid had leaked out completely. The team departed the area full of joy, with all the fears suppressed by the accomplishment of the mission. Justine, Kawisha, ZNBC News, Ntopolo area, Serenje.